Hi, in this video we're going to continue the Axway Amplify Fusion deployment series where we're deploying projects from design to check and design to live and dealing with connection overrides and versions. So remember in the first video we created a new project called HelloDeployment. It had one API in there and we created version 1, and then we created a deployment job, and then we ran the deployment job, so we ended up with this project in the check environment, and then we went in and overrode the credentials for this integration to connect to our, let's say, QA systems. In this video, we're going to create a new version, and then we're going to create a deployment job and promote it and see that those connection overrides applied. And I don't have to keep applying them over and over again because the connection overrides sit at the environment level. So if I come in here, go to my HTTP server, go to my response, I'm simply going to change this to v2. Let's enable this. Let's test it. And this is the API in design mode. And here it is, hello from v2. So what I'll do is let's disable this. Let's come back over here. At the project level, let's version it. Put our commit message. Now I've got a v2. If you recall, I can deploy this. And we'll call this Hello Deployment v2 DJ. And that'll be the name. And again, I don't have any properties. I don't have any certificates. I need to add, nor do I have any dependent projects. So I'm just going to create this deployment. Oh, oops. Let me just create this deployment job. Okay, so here's, now I need to be a deployment manager to see this, or someone with access to the deployments in the manager module, but I do. And here is Hello Deployment v2 deployment job. And I am going to now run this. And let's run deploy this to the check environment and run now. And then what I'll do is I will go to the check environment. Let me also show you another way to enable integration. So I'll go to the manager in check, and I can go to events, and I only have one project, and it has one connector, and I can enable this. And now what I'll do is I'll go to Postman, and this is in check. And here it is, hello from v2. And notice I didn't need to do the connection override because that you only have to do one time per environment. So one time for check and one time for live for all your connections. So in this video, we got to see how you can deploy a second version of a project to a higher environment and take advantage of the connection override that's already been applied. Thank you.